with another daily in-depth or nightly in-depth technical analysis. We're in the 769 levels as we speak, my friends. Oh my goodness. Look at these charts. What did we see? We saw exactly what we were looking for. Exactly to the T. And we are seeing a nice bounce off these 760 levels. Exactly what we were looking for. If you guys have not hit the subscribe button yet, you might as well just hit it right now. Okay. Okay. But for real, let's get serious, man. Let's get serious. We saw the volume come in with major green candle here. A lot of buyers are stepping in here, pushing it higher than this previous resistance that we saw here around these 745s and here around these 762s. Okay, we have pushed higher. We are holding higher at the moment. We want to see us hold higher within the next hour to 2 hours. If we do that, ooh, my goodness gracious, we're going up. Because where's our next stop? I told you guys this last video. I told you. Our next stop is around these 860 levels. Now we might have a wee bit of resistance right at these 819s. But in order for that to be confirmed that we will be heading up, we want to see us hold above these 762 levels in the next 2 hours. Now, those of you in the Patreon, I have issued an alert right as we broke through here. And as we were approaching that, this would be a great time to buy if we did see this. So, congratulations to you. If you're interested in getting real-time buy and sell alerts, check out the Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description. There are limited spots, so get them while you can. There's a few open right now. I just opened some more up because I want you guys to take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, we are moving. We are at a very low in the market. That's why I call this a major opportunity, because look at how low we are, okay? We are creating higher lows. Boom, boom, boom. Higher lows, right? Now, it is not confirmed that we won't drop below this. We can still drop below this, but this is what we need to see in order for this thesis to be not possible. We need to come up higher than this level here. We need to come up higher than these 877 levels, preferably within the next 2 weeks. If we can see that, and I told you guys this a couple videos ago, those of you who have watching every video, first of all, you guys are learning a lot of knowledge, and you're probably making a lot of money right now, because every single call that I have said, if you got in, I'm not saying this financial advice or simple opinions, and this is what I'm doing, but every single call I have made within the past 2 to 4 weeks, if you would have just simply followed those calls, you would be in profits right now. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. This is what we need to watch as we move towards these 819 levels. All right. First of all, we want to see us break these 7.7s. If we can break that within this video, that will be very, very bullish. I'm going to drop time frame so we can look at what we're looking at. Here on the 2 hourly candles, this is what we're looking at. A little more price action here. All right, we are seeing some stagger around. We are staggering above here, above this previous resistance line. We had almost a triple top here. Right? So, we need to hold within the next 2 hours. Preferably, we need to push higher than these 775 levels within the next 2 hours. If we can do that, it's a very, very, very bullish sign that we will be heading back up to these 819s very quickly. However, this to the upside. To the downside, let's say we do break back through, then we want to see us come in base around these 745 levels, okay? So, if we do decide, if the price action does decide to break back down through the 762 levels, completely possible. We want to see a nice bounce, and we will see it very fast. We want to see a nice bounce at these 745 levels, okay? Now, if it breaks through the 776 levels, it is more likely to move up to these 819s than it is to drop back down, simply based on there's hardly any resistance over here to the left of the charts. So, however, on the flip side, if it does break down through these 761 levels, then we want to see a nice bounce as it comes down here. A bounce somewhat like this, okay? We want to see major volume step in and buyers push this price higher. Boom, even here, right? We want to see this move in, okay? Boom, 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 creating higher lows following this upward trend line on the 2 hourly candles, all right? That is what we would like to see, okay? Boom, boom, boom. And look at this convergence here around the today. Oh, no. Tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. So tomorrow we should have an answer. And yeah, we're looking really bullish right now, guys. Those of you who have been following along, I know the markets have been down lately, but those of you who have really been taking the time out to learn right now, you will reap the rewards in the future. Mark my words, so many of you guys are going to change your lives. I've been speaking to a lot of you beautiful people over the phone, getting to know just your money goals with crypto and how I can help. And it really, it's inspiring because those of you who are really trying to make a change are going to make a lot of money in these markets and change your lives. And I'm excited to even take part in that journey with you guys. That being said, if you want to give me a call and get to know me a little bit, I would love to get to know you. Shoot me a text. Say you came from YouTube, okay? I get a lot of texts, a lot of calls, but that's okay. I love talking to you guys. Say you came from YouTube. Get ready to talk about yourself. And, yeah, just text me with your name. And, okay, this is a number. I'm going to say it one time only. 850-376-0889. Boom, boom, boom. Area code or country code is +1. Anyways, yeah, we'll talk about it. Get you into day trading or long-term trading, swing trading, technical analysis, emotional analysis. Literally, we'll just talk, man. We'll just talk. So this is what we're looking at today. We want to watch these levels. Sum it up, make it real simple. I'm going to go over the levels again right now, so there is no confusion, because I know a lot of you guys are new to trading, and I am here to make it the most simple as possible, okay? Break it down. Now, if this stuff is confusing, that's okay, because I'll simplify it right now. But that being said, if this stuff is confusing, then seriously, shoot me a text, because we need to get you to where this is like nothing, okay? And we can do that within a couple hours. So let's do it. Bada bing, bada boom. Gonna zoom in. When we step in the room, we're still testing these 7-7 levels. We can break through that on this video. It would be very, very bullish. All right, boom. All right, you see the top of this wick? That's what we need to watch today. We want to break through this tonight. When I wake up in the morning, it is currently 10:35 p.m., way past my bedtime. But when I wake up in the morning, I want to see this price above the 776 levels, okay? Okay? Now, if I wake up and the price is back down below the 757 levels, that means we will be heading back down to retest these 737 levels. Now, this is all in a close range, but this is more of a day trade average in pattern, okay? This is, if you were day trading or swing trading for weeks to months at a time, these are the type of patterns you want to watch. Now, long term, all right, those of you hodlers out there, we got a lot of hodlers out there, especially those of you watching 9 minutes into the video. Congratulations. This is some information specifically for you. Those of you holding a year plus like me in certain accounts, this is what we need to look for. So, first things first, draw this Fibonacci level. We are boom, boom, boom. We didn't even come back down and touch this 0.786 level. Now, Fibonacci, if you don't know what that is, real quick rundown. It is simple mathematic calculations that predict where the most natural points of support on the bottom and resistance on the top will lie on any specific move in the market. Let's say we even move it down to here, right? You can clearly see that there is some correlation between the Fibonacci level and the points that the points of support and resistance that we are seeing on the charts. So it is accurate. It is around 80% accurate. What we need to get into now is Long-term hodling, okay? What do you want to look for? This is what you want to look for. Right now is an extremely good buying opportunity. Why do I say that? Okay, when you're looking for long-term, there's multiple factors you got to take into account. Okay, not only the technical analysis, which is bada bing, bada boom, the price action we are staring at and going over right now and have been for the past 10 minutes. But we also need to take in the the sentiment of the market. Okay, I call that emotional analysis. You can see that through multiple different calculators like the crypto fear and greed index. As we can clearly tell, it is moving back up towards a neutral state, which means we are in neutral now. Okay, yesterday was fear. We moved up 7 points in one day. Okay, now that can be seen as a good thing, can also be seen as a bad thing. Why? Because that is a lot of points in one day. Okay, so if we get into the green, that means the sentiment is changing. It's going more bullish. Now, what else do we need to look for? We want to look for the overall market. And what is the overall market dictated by? It's dictated by the big coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, okay? We are moving up to these $44,000 levels, okay? Look at this major support we are creating on the daily charts here. Now, we are heading towards... And as the looks of it, we are still lagging behind with DOGELON Mars. We haven't seen the upward momentum that we are going to see in the future, simply because Bitcoin is staggering around these resistance levels. If we break through these $45,000 levels next week, which is very, very possible based on this price action and these higher lows being created, that means we will see major moves in DOGELON Mars. That means major as in up into these 12 levels, okay? Like, yes, 12 levels. Now is the time to learn this information before we start moving, okay? So take this serious because you can make a lot of money. If you want to be a straggler, straggle around and then tell your grandkids about how you could have become a millionaire, about investing early on a cryptocurrency when they first started out, then don't pay attention to this. But if you don't want to be that person, shoot me a text, okay? Shoot me a text. We'll get onto a talk, and we will get you set up with whatever is correct for your situation. But I really want to see these break the 7-7 levels. That's the movement in the long term we're looking at, okay? If Bitcoin breaks these $45,000 levels within the next week, and it is very possible, extremely possible. Look how much we've moved up within the past few days. Okay, this is great. This is really, really great. Market reversal inbound, my friends. With everything that's going on in the world, we will see how the crypto markets hold up. They are seeming to hold up semi-decently as we are in the green and as we are pushing up and breaking previous resistances while creating higher lows. So, in order for us to be... Nothing is confirmed yet. After we break these $45,000 levels and hold above it for another week, it is confirmed that we are in a reversal pattern to the upside, okay? Mark my words. Crypto billionaire 69 850 376 0888. Okay, 0889. For all you beautiful people that stayed to the end, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.